Hey everyone, it's Juan, and I hope you're having a great day today. If you're watching me live, type live or give me a heart so I know that you're watching. And if you're watching the replay later on, type replay in the comments so that I know that you stopped by. So today, I want to share some cooking advice with you that transformed my approach to meal prep. And the reason I want to share this with you is because sometimes we overcomplicate things and overthink a lot of the things we're doing today. In this Instagram world, we can think we have to cross every T and dot every I and make sure everything is just exactly so. Who has the time or energy for that? Especially for something you have to do every single day. But before I get into this ninja tip, in case you don't already know me, I'm Juan Guerrero with Your Personal Best Training Studio, where my team and I help men and women over 50 get to move better, feel better, and age actively. And we help them to do all the things they love doing now and for the rest of their life. Now, ready for that ninja tip? Remember that old saying, keep it simple, silly? Well, that also is the best advice anyone has ever given me about food prep. It's actually easy to eat healthier meals if you give yourself permission to simplify as much as possible. Here's my personal simple formula. Delicious protein plus veggie plus healthy fat plus the occasional whole grain. Then I just add some low carb, low sodium seasoning or sauce and voila! It's really that easy. This approach totally changed my daily routine because I am no longer stuck asking the non-stop question, what's for dinner? Because I already know what's for dinner and I'm prepared for it. When I go grocery shopping, I have a list of items in each of these categories, so I always have options in hand. If you do the same, you'll always be able to throw simple, fast, and healthy meals together. Remember, just keep it simple. Plus, I've got a great resource that will help you ramp up those meals with some delicious and healthy sauces, marinades, and dressings. It's in our latest ebook, Tasty Sauces, Marinades, and Salad Dressings. And you can get it by clicking in the link of the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.